So I made a video a few days ago talking about AT&T and Verizon Wireless launching a pre-orders and promos for the Google Pixel Fold. But there was one player that was not in the game. That was T-Mobile. Well, as of July 6, 2023, T-Mobile relaunched their pre-orders and promotions. So let's talk about it because they are fairly good. Even I took advantage of it. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the two big players that I've been talking about, right, was taking orders last week. They had all their stuff ready to go. Well, we was waiting on T-Mobile because T-Mobile was dead silent. But as of today, their promo page is up, showing pre-orders, and it's running great deals, right? They're running some very good deals. Even I took advantage of these deals. So let's talk about it. And it's all about trade-ins. It's all about trading, but the good thing about it is old trade-ins, you could take advantage of some very good prices. So let's talk about the options here. You could get $1,000 off on older devices such as the Galaxy Note 10, right? The OnePlus 9 Pro, even the Pixel 7 Pro. That's right, an $800 phone, you could get $1,000 off. That's what I'm talking about. That's very good. But there's a $500 option which gives you very good deals. Yes, LG phones is on the list. LG phones from the LG Velvet to the LG V60 to the LG Wing. That's right. Devices that cost under $170, T-Mobile will give you $500 of it. Think about this. You have devices such as the Galaxy S6, the Google Pixel 4s, and a lot of options to get at least $500 off on the deals. Listen, I called my business rep, and because I have a business account with T-Mobile, and I traded in one of my couple of LG V60s. I got $500 off MSRP, and I also dropped $1,000 up front. So I only have a $300 balance plus tax, which is relatively cheap. So that's less MSRP. So as you know how T-Mobile works, it gives you the option to pay off early, which works for me. So once I get the phone and I wait a month and boom, I just pay it off. So I got the Pixel 4 for about $1,300. Yes, I did a trade-in, but my trade-in of the V60 is a less than $200 phone. So you know what? I think that's called savings. So they also have a delivery date on the 18th. That's right, the 18th. So finding these deals is very good. I've been talking about this, right? I've been talking about that. There's no need to spend $2,000 for a Pixel 4. All you got to do is work the system and find the deals. And now you can get up to $1,000 off and pay it off early, or even $500 off for old devices. I mean, devices that cost under $100, you could get $500 off on it. That's what I'm talking about. It's called savings. So this is my follow-up video because I was concerned about T-Mobile, but I knew that T-Mobile was going to come up with some good deals. Now, there's some stuff that's involved. Now, there's the Gold 5G plan and all that stuff. I don't know if you on that plan, but if you're not on that plan, I think that's one of the things that you have to be on that plan. Me, I'm on a business account, so it was relatively easy for me to do it. But think about this. All these phones from different genres on this table, right? You know, you got the Galaxy Note 9, you get the Galaxy Note 10, you know, the OnePlus 7 Pro, the LG V60, old iPhones like the iPhone 8s and stuff like that, relatively cheap. And you could get $500 off or $1,000 off. It's bill credits, right? But what I like about T-Mobile, once again, they give you the option to pay it off early. So here's what I like about working the system. MSRP on the Google Pixel 4 is $17.99. I do not expect nobody to spend $17.99 on that device. All the three major carriers will give you deals. Verizon Wireless will give you $900 off. AT&T is doing it for $25 a month. T-Mobile is doing it with $1,000 off, but there's 24 months, right? Now the other players is 36 months. T-Mobile is 24 months. So even if you were to spread it out in the payments, I would highly recommend paying a little extra, paying the device off early, finding the trade-in, get some off on the MSRP so you don't have to pay $17.99. But the one thing that I do like about T-Mobile, they do have a 24-month plan. Again, I'm on a business account, so I had the advantage to get the trade in, and I don't have to change accounts and change this and change that. All I had to do was trade up, get less off the MSRP, have an option to pay it off. I'm good to go. So I got my Google Pixel 4 for about $1,300 and some change. That's what I'm talking about. This is Eric the Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. And all I did was a $500 trade-in, right? If you did a $1,000 trade-in and you had a few extra dollars up front, to say $500 up front, right? So you got $500 up front, $1,000 trade-in, you'll be in the same boat as me, only paying about $300 and some change on bill credits, and pay it off early if you like. So it's a good deal. Leave your questions down below. This is the Tech Preacher. See you guys on the next video. Peace.